Hello and welcome to my channel. I've recently stayed here again, Las Gaviotas in Matagorda, Lanzarote. I know I've done videos of here before, but this time I'm in a different block. I'm in block 4, which is right where the reception is, across the road from the Beatrice Player. So I'll take you on a walk through block 4, just do a couple of pointers. I won't do an apartment tour as I've done one before. The apartments here are all more or less the same. The only difference this time is the one I've been in has got a bath. Overcast as usual here in the morning. It will clear up by this afternoon. So this is block 4. Quite a few of the apartments here are privately owned. And you can see that because they're slightly different. If we go up through that way, it takes to block 3, I think it is, where the snack bar is. I'll put a picture of the menu up. You can see the prices, it's quite reasonable. They do breakfast, snacks, drinks. Obviously the pool area here. It doesn't get busy at all, even though, you know, this is peak season and it doesn't get busy. So you can tell the ones which are privately owned because they've got their own furniture and they look a little bit different. And then this time I am in this apartment here. It's a 1-bedroom superior apartment. All the superior apartments are in blocks 1 through to 4. The only difference between them and the normals is that these have air conditioning. So there's where I've been staying. And you can see how close I am to the promenade and the beach. As I said, it was only going to be a short tour, so check out my other videos on Las Gaviotas, including the apartment tour. I will put a link in the description for that one down in the comments. So as usual, thanks for watching. Please check out my other Lanzarote videos.